Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am just going to discuss the other topics of class 8th physics and the name of this chapter is sound. In previous video I already taught you about the sound and how the sound is travel and whatever the quality of sound and what is wave, and in this video I am just going to teach you about the characteristics of the wave. What I am going to teach you today? Characteristic of the wave. That means जो waves होती हैं उनकी क्या characteristics होती हैं. So some characteristic you were also studied in the class 7, but one more new characteristic is added in the class 8. So let us discuss one by one all the characteristic. So the characteristic of waves are like frequency, amplitude, time period and the wavelength. These four are the characteristic of the wave, and about the frequency and time period and amplitude you were also studied in the class 7, but wavelength you will study in the class 8. Okay, so let us discuss one by one all the things. First I am just going to discuss about the frequency. That what is frequency? तो frequency क्या होती है? It is the number of vibration produced by a vibrating object in 1 second. That means what is this? It is number of vibrations produced by vibrating object in 1 second. That means कि अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट वाइब्रेट कर रहा है, सो इन 1 सेकेंड हाउ मैनी वाइब्रेशन इट इज़ गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस, वो कितने वाइब्रेशन को प्रोड्यूस्ड करेगा, दैट इज़ नोन एज द फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके, और इस फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम और भी इसके लिए एक डेफिनेशन दे सकते हैं, द नंबर ऑफ वेव्स पासिंग थ्रू अ पॉइंट इन 1 सेकेंड. सो फ्रीक्वेंसी के लिए एक और डेफिनेशन है, द नंबर ऑफ वेव्स पासिंग थ्रू अ पॉइंट इन 1 सेकेंड. डैट मीन जितनी भी वो वेव्स होंगी उसको भी हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. टेक वन डायग्राम फॉर रिलेटेड दिस. दिस इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट एंड टाइम. ओके, एंड हियर just draw the frequency. Okay, okay, like this, and one more I am going to draw here like this. Now this region is known as the wave. So here 1 2 3 4 5, here 5 waves are there and here 3 waves are there. That means the frequency of this diagram is more compared to this diagram. That means the number of wave passing through a point in 1 second. Okay, now the frequency is denoted by the small f. The frequency is denoted by the small f, and the SI unit of frequency is hertz. In short form it is written like this. So SI unit of frequency is hertz and it is denoted by the small f. Okay, now let us see the other characteristic, that is the time period. Time period, it is also clear from the name. Time period क्या होता है? It is defined as the time taken by a vibrating object to complete one vibration. That means whatever the time is taken by an object to complete one vibration. Suppose if and it is going to vibrate like this. So from here to here one vibration is completed. So whatever the time is taken, that time is known as the time period, that means time taken by a vibrating object to complete one vibration. Okay, and in simple way you can also know that one vibration produces the one wave. अगर one vibration है, one vibration, it is going to produce the one wave. Okay, that means one vibration produces a wave. Okay, time period is also defined as a time taken by a wave to pass through a point. That means you can also define the time period, the time taken by a wave to pass through a point. Now this time period is denoted by capital T, and it is just inversely proportional to the frequency. That means time period is equal to 1 by f, inversely proportional to the frequency. Okay, now let us discuss the other characteristic of the wave, and the other characteristic of wave is the amplitude. The other characteristic of the amplitude. So let us draw one diagram over here. Now how we can define the amplitude? Amplitude क्या होता है? तो amplitude is defined as the maximum displacement of a vibrating object in a medium from its mean position. That means एक vibrating object अपनी मीन पोजीशन से कितना मैक्सिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट लेता है उसे हम कहते हैं एम्पलीट्यूड. दैट मीन्स दिस इज़ द एम्पलीट्यूड, दिस इज़ द एम्पलीट्यूड, कि अपनी मीन पोजीशन से जो वो क्या कर रहा है, इट इज़ टेकिंग द डिस्प्लेसमेंट, वो कितने ज़्यादा ऊपर और नीचे क्रेस्ट एंड ट्रो ले रहा है. दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज़ एम्पलीट्यूड? Amplitude, it is defined as the maximum displacement of a vibrating object in a medium from its mean position. Okay, now the amplitude, the SI unit of amplitude is meter. The SI unit of amplitude is meter. And one more thing I would like to add in the amplitude, the two waves with the same frequency can have the different amplitudes. That means कि same frequency की दो waves के amplitudes क्या हो सकते हैं, अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. Okay, that means the same frequency can have the different amplitude. Suppose I am going to draw that this is the, now here look at the size of the amplitude. That means the same frequency wave can have the different amplitudes. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let us discuss the other characteristic of the wave, that is the wavelength. Wavelength. So what is wavelength? This is a new topic, so please understand this. Wavelength is the distance between two consecutive. It is the distance between two consecutive compression and compressions or rarefaction. In longitudinal wave, यहाँ पर one more thing I want to add, in longitudinal wave. Let us show you that diagram. So how we can show the diagram? Suppose let us draw this is the compression region, the molecules are crowded. This is the rarefaction region. Now again the compression region, the molecules are crowded, again the rarefaction region. Again compression region, molecules are crowded, and again the rarefaction compression region, जहाँ molecules crowded हैं particles, this is the compression region. So what is the definition? From two consecutive, that means suppose this is the compression, two consecutive compression. So this is denoted by the Greek word lambda in the longitudinal wave. So wavelength can be denoted by the Greek word lambda. This is the lambda. Okay, and that means the lambda is the word through which it is denoted, and the SI unit of wavelength is the meter. Okay, so this is all about the characteristic of the waves. Rest of the topic I will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.